Good morning, students. Today we are going to see some statement problems using rational numbers. Exercise 1.3. The first sum we are going to see is Subbu spends 1 by 3 of his monthly earnings on rent, 2 by 5 on food, and 1 by 10 on monthly usuals. What fractional part of his earnings is left with him for other expenses? In this sum, the amount spent for rent, food and monthly earnings are given as a rational part. You have to find out the rational part of the earnings left with him for other expenses. For that, first you have to find the total spending of food, rent and monthly usuals. That is 1 by 3 plus 2 by 5 plus 1 by 10. Since the denominators are different, you have to take the LCM for 3, 5 and 10. The LCM for 3, 5 and 10 is 30. After taking the LCM 30, you have to convert the given rational numbers into the equivalent rational numbers of denominator 30. For that, you have to multiply 1 by 3 by 10 and 2 by 5 by 6 and 1 by 10 by 3. We get 10 plus 12 plus 3 by 30. 10 plus 12 is 22, 22 plus 3 is 25, that is 25 by 30. Now we are reducing this to the lowest term, we get 5 by 6. The total spending of our monthly is 5 by 6. Consider that total earning be 1. After consider the total earning be 1, you have to subtract the total spending and you have to find out the earnings left for other expenses. That is 1 minus 5 by 6 equal to, here also the denominators are different. That is for 1 the denominator is 1 and minus 5 by 6. Taking the LCM for 1 and 6, we get the LCM as 6 and converting into equivalent rational numbers, we get 6 minus 5 by 6, that is 1 by 6. Therefore, 1 by 6 of his earnings is left for other expenses. In the same model, we are going to see one more sum. In a constituency, 19 by 25 of the voters had voted for candidate A, whereas 7 by 50 had voted for candidate B. Find the fraction of the voters who had voted for others. To find out the voted for others, you have to first find out the how many are voted for A or B. Therefore, that is total voters voted for A or B equal to 19 by 25 plus 7 by 50. Here also the denominators are different. You have to take the LCM and convert this rational number into equivalent rational number, then add it. We get 38 plus 7 by 50. Adding 38 plus 7, we get 45 by 50. Since it is not in the lowest form, you have to convert it into lowest form. Then we get the fraction as 9 by 10. Here also, we are assuming that total voters be 1. Then the remaining voters be 1 minus number of voters for A or B. That is 1 minus 9 by 10. We get the answer as 1 by 10. Therefore, 1 by 10 of total voters voted for others. The next sum we are going to see is if 3 by 4 of a box of apples weighs 3 kg 225 gram, how much does a full box of apples weight? In this sum it is given as 3 by 4 of a box of apples weight 3 kg and 225 gram. You have to find out the total weight of the box of apple. For that, we are consuming that the total weight of a box of apples be X. Given weight of 3 by 4 of a box of apples equal to 3 kg 225 gram. That is 3 by 4 of box of apples as considered as X. Therefore, 3 by 4 into X equal to, we are changing this 3 kilogram 225 gram as gram. We get 3225 gram. To find the value of X, we are moving this 3 by 4 to the right hand side. It will comes as this reciprocal 4 by 3. That is 3225 into 4 by 3 gram. We are cancelling it by 3. 3225 becomes 1075. That is 1075 into 4 gram. We get the answer as 4300 gram. This 4300 gram can be written as 4 kilogram 300 gram, since 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Therefore, weight of the box of apples equal to 4 kg 300 gram. Let's see one more sum in today. Mangalam buys a water jug of capacity 4 by 5 liters. If she buys another jug which is 2 by 3 times as large as the smaller jug, how many liters can the larger jug can hold? In this sum, first Mangalam buys a smaller jug of capacity 4 by 5 liters, and she buys another jug which is 2 by 3 times larger than the first jug. That is, the capacity of the smaller jug equal to 4 by 5 liter. The capacity of the big jug equal to 2 by 3 times the small one. That is 2 by 3 into the smaller one has 4 by 5 liters. Since it is in mixed fraction, you have to convert it into improper. For that, you have to multiply this whole number and denominator, and you have to add the numerator. That is 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 2, 8 by 3 into, same way you have to multiply the new denominator and the whole number. That is 3 5s are 15. Then you have to add the numerator 4. 15 plus 4, we get 19 by 5. Since it has no common factors, we can directly multiply it. That is 8 into 19 equal to 152 by 3 into 5 equal to 15. 152 by 15. We get, it is in improper fraction. You have to convert it into mixed fraction. We get 2 by 15 liters. Therefore, the capacity of the large jug equal to 2 by 15 liters. Thank you.